Credit cards, loans, store cards. When you owe everywhere, it's hard to know what to pay first. The debt snowball attacks the smallest balance first. Each time you clear one, you get a quick win, and motivation snowballs. The debt avalanche hits the highest interest rate first. It saves you the most money overall, but results feel slower. Snowball wins on emotion. Avalanche wins on math. The best method? The one you'll actually stick with until you're free. Don't stay stuck comparing forever. Pick a method, make a plan, and start. Follow Finance Decoded for more clear debt strategies.